to find your Microsoft Teams password. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Chrome and make sure you're logged into your Microsoft Teams. Then click on three dots at the top right corner of your screen. After you click on three dots, scroll down and click on Password and Autofill. Then click on Google Password Manager. In here, scroll down and search for Microsoft or Teams. If you find one, simply click on it, and if you click on the I button below password, you will be able to see your password. And this is how to find your Microsoft Teams password. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.